Hello, I'm Major Ron Hathaway, United States Marine Corps retired, and this is your Right to Fight military moment. General Daniel Chappie James, Jr. was a true trailblazer in American military history. Born in 1920 in Pensacola, Florida, Chappie James grew up during a time when opportunity for African Americans were limited, but he was determined to break barriers. He loved flying from a young age and dreamed of soaring through the air or the sky as a pilot. Chappie's chances came during World War II when he joined the Tuskegee Airmen, a group of African American pilots who trained in Tuskegee, Alabama. These pilots were skilled, brave, and determined to prove their worth. Though Chappie didn't see combat during the war, he stayed in the Air Force after the war ended, ready to make a difference. As a young lieutenant, he made a bold stand against segregation in the way that left a powerful mark. In the early 1950s, during a hot day at a military base in the South, Chappie noticed a white-only sign at the officers' pool. Despite his rank and service, he wasn't allowed to swim there simply because of his skin color. But Chappie was a man of courage and conviction. Donning a swimming suit and ignoring the white-only sign, he confidently strolled up and did a cannonball into the pool. His action was a bold protest and reminded everyone around that he was as much as part of the military community as anyone else. Some people were stunned, others were angry. They actually drained the pool. Can you believe that? He faced backlash from superiors, but Chappie knew he was making a point that needed to be made. The moment didn't just show his courage, it demonstrated his belief in equality and dignity. He was willing to risk his career to make a statement against unfair treatment of African Americans. As Chappie climbed the ranks, he became a skilled fighter pilot who flew aerial combat and extensive low-level ground missions during the Korean War. During the Vietnam War, he was known for his incredible courage and skill in combat. He earned a reputation as a respected warrior and wing commander. Chappie James was a groundbreaker leader. In 1975, he became the first African-American four-star general in the United States Air Force. This was a huge achievement, especially during a time when racial equality was still a big issue in America. His success showed people that the courage and dedication could overcome even the toughest of obstacles. Throughout his career, General James inspired thousands with his motivating speeches and dedication to his country. He showed everyone that no matter where you come from or what you look like, you can achieve great things if you believe in yourself, get an education, and work hard. I'm Major Ron Hathaway, and this is your Right to Fight military moment.